how to play Minecraft with 2 players on the Nintendo Switch 2. So in order to do this, you will need to have 2 controllers. For one controller, I'm just going to use the Joy-Cons, and for the second one, I'm going to use this controller that I have laying around. Now, in order to play Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2, first you have to pair both controllers. So you will go into the controller section here on your Nintendo Switch, and you want to click on change grip/order, and then you will press both of these buttons here, the L and R buttons at the top of your Joy-Cons, to pair the first controller. Now we can proceed to pair the second controller as well. So I'm just going to turn on this controller, give it some time here to load, and it's already paired. So as you can see, we have connected it successfully. Now once you have both controllers connected, then you can open up your Minecraft game. Unfortunately, I don't have it to show you here, but you will just load it up and it's going to detect that 2 players are playing, and you can proceed to play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.